Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the Hair Tutorial channel, and on this video I'm going to be talking about the ASP Dynamic range. This is a range of semi-permanent colours that can go on natural or pre-lightened hair. I'm going to give you the tips on how to use them and how to get the best results out of them. So if you're new to the channel, why don't you like, subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos like this. And if you're coming back, it's lovely to see you. So let's just do it. So the colour dynamics are a range of true semi-permanents. You're going to use them straight out of the tube. They have no activator. For the best results, I would recommend pre-lightening the hair first. However, they will give you results on natural or not so light bases, but they won't give you true to swatch results. You have 13 permanent colours to choose from in the range, as well as a clear base which is a pastelizer that you can use any of the colours to dilute down to achieve pastel tones. There are also 3 limited edition summer colours, which are a fantastic addition to the range. Now when it comes to using these, I personally prefer using them on pre-lightened bases. So if you've pre-lightened the hair with bleach, the next step I would do is at the base, and if you haven't already used your Vitaplex, do a Vitaplex treatment. Then use a toner to tone out any unwanted tones so that you can achieve a nice clean result with these. I always do the Vitaplex treatment before applying my toner or anything like Dynamic so that the hair is in optimum condition. Now you can also vary the processing time on these. Remember, best results pre-lightened towel dried hair for 15 to 30 minutes. The longer you leave the colour on, the deeper the colour will be and the longer it will last. So if you again are altering the processing time, just make sure you make a note of it, because if you leave it on 21.5 minutes and the client loves that result, you're going to have to time it the next time exactly the same. Towel dry off the hair, getting rid of any excess moisture, and then you're ready to apply your dynamics. Now, especially if I'm applying something like the blue or the green, I'm really going to want the hair to be nice and clean when I do this. However, I've got fantastic results with the purples, the oranges and the pinks on bases that, like I said, were more natural. Now when you apply these to the hair, I always squeeze them straight out the tube into a bowl, as they don't need an activator. And I apply them with a brush. However, I then make sure that I use my hands to work the colour through the section so that I don't get any patchiness and really work it in. Now if you're doing something like a root smudge or you want to do a rainbow effect, this is when I'd add my Colour Your Way powder. It thickens it up without affecting the performance of the dynamics and allows you to control where you place the colour and helps with the bleed not happening during the colour process. Now when it comes to pastelising down, this is where you can really play and you can cocktail all of these colours together. I love adding the dark grey into the colours to give it like a metallic-y effect. But when you're pastelising, just make sure that you weigh. You can mix any ratios that you want, but if you don't weigh it and you're halfway through and you run out of your colour, what are the chances of you being able to recreate that exact colour again? I would also personally recommend using the Colour Care shampoo or a shampoo from the Kotoko range, which is sulfate free and is going to help with the longevity of the colour. Before you want to redo the service, I would use the Affinage Deep Cleanse shampoo just to remove any excess tone or any unwanted colour before reapplying a new colour to the hair. And for the younger ones that like to change their hair colour all the time, these are perfect, giving them multiple options. And these really are a kind, caring colour. They've got no ammonia in them, they're semi-permanent and they contain argan oil and shea butter. Now don't forget, if you've liked this video, there's some more great ones coming up, and to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you next time.